up fam, how are you doing? Welcome to Fitness Friday. Yes, and today I'm going to share with you something different, which is lower abs workout, just to get rid of these things. But before that, I want to tell you that this is going to be the last workout that I'm going to share with you before I post my clothing challenge. So stay tuned for that for next week on Friday. But today we're going to focus more on the lower abs workout. So it's going to be simple things that you can do to kill the lower abs. When I say lower abs, I mean lower belly fat. And lower belly fat is this. Lower belly fat is this part. This lower part. Yes, so that's what we're going to work on today. And I hope it's going to be successful. Wish me luck in that challenge, by the way, guys, because I've seen different people doing it, and the results that I are getting is quite something. So what you're going to do right now is start with some warm-up, and then I hope you have your usual, the mat and water. That is very, very important. So let's do this warm-up and then get into our main workout.
Everything that brought me alive, though we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. We took my innocence without an alibi.
So what you're going to do today is 10 workouts of each, so let's get going. All the workouts that you'll be doing today, just make sure this part of your body touches the floor. Like it touches, it's not like that. You get, make sure it's down, like it's down, and all the energy you're going to give to this particular area. You understand? Yeah, so let's get going.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghost and mind will shadow play. I got you wild upside down. shadow play. I got your world upside down.
going to do quick stretch like I've never done as quick as this one.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, in good inside. Oh. monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi.
That's it for today's workout. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Yes, I hope you're working out from home. And until next Friday, kisses to you.